Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and telling you about some of the key features of the Samsung EVO Plus microSD card. Now this is a 32 GB variant of the card, which you can see over here. It does come in other variants including 64, 128, 256 and 512. We have with us the 32 GB variant, which is right here. Now what are the key features of this card? Well, the key feature of this card is that it has a read speed of up to 95 MB per second and a write speed of 20 MB per second. And this is basically, as you can see over here, it says smartphone, camera, action cam and drone. So this is great if you're a photographer. If you say you want to put it in a GoPro, you need a card for your drone, you need something for your cameras, or even your smartphone as well. So this is actually a great card for that. And the reason why it's such a good card for that is because it's a class 10 card, it's a UHS-I card, and it offers something which Samsung calls for-proof protection. So what is for-proof protection? Well, it's waterproof, it's temperature proof, it's X-ray proof, and it's magnet proof. Okay, so Samsung claims that it can basically withstand up to 72 hours in seawater, extreme temperatures, airport X-ray machines, and magnetic fields equivalent to an MRI scanner. And it'll keep your data safe. So that is quite cool. What else do we have over here? What are the other features of this card? Well, 32 GB is enough for 4 hours of full HD video. Say you can do 6 hours of HD video. So you can have maybe up to 7,500 photos on here, and so on. So it's a lot of storage space. This is basically great for, as I mentioned again, for if you're a photographer, for your cameras, for your GoPros, for your drone, and it's a fast card. Samsung claims that you can transfer 3 GB video to your notebook in just 38 seconds. Now we don't back that, we don't know that, but that's what Samsung is claiming, and that's with the super fast read speed of 95 MB per second. That's what you'll get. All right, and it comes also with an SD card adapter in case your laptop doesn't have a micro SD card slot or your PC doesn't have a micro SD card slot. So let me just go ahead and open this up and show you the card itself. I'll try to do this in a way that doesn't damage it too much. Maybe I'll just cut from the bottom. Okay. So the card is, as you can see, it's really solidly packed, and so that's the way to get it out. Once you get that open, you have to separate this little plastic thing that actually protects the card. So it comes really well packed to protect it, and that's the card, very tiny over there. And I'll get the adapter out. So same thing with the adapter, you just have to break the seal at the bottom and it comes out like that. So I'll just keep that to the side. So that's the adapter, that's the card. In case you're wondering how this goes, this basically just goes in like that. Just line it up and press, and now it's in, and there you go. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing and the key features of the Samsung EVO Plus micro SD card. This is the 32 GB variant. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.